So let's move to the cart controller. So here, so we need to add the function. So we can remove or we can clear the cart. So let's copy from here and paste here. So let's change it to clear the cart. And also name, let's change it to clear cart. So here you will not receive anything, so just remove the request. And first let's do something so we can remove everything and also remove everything from here. So first we need to forget the cart, so you can use the forget method. So let's change it to forget, and remove the cart from the session, and do the same thing for the total. Let's use here cart items total, and here let's add forget session, or we can use forget session. And here we send a message telling user that the cart cleared. Okay, so I think that's all. So first we forget the cart, and next we forget the cart items total, and we send the message. So let's add also a route here. So I think the method is delete. Okay, we can keep it as it is, and here we can change the name from remove to clear cart, and the method is clear cart. So let's copy and paste here, and here the name of the route, let's make it cart clear. And here, so cart clear, where is it? So cart clear, and here it's cart clear. So let's change it. So let's change the route to cart dot clear. So save. So let's see, let's refresh the page. And if we click on clear cart, so as you can see, your cart is empty. Okay, so back to shop. So now we need to do something before we move to the payment. We need to display the messages. So as you can see, when we add or we update or we remove from the cart, so we don't see any message here. So we need to display messages so the user can know that the action is done successfully. So to do that, let's add another file here. So let's close these files. So here inside layout, so let's add another file and call it alerts.blade.php. And here we need a div with margin top and bottom of 3. And we need, so we need to check for the session if if it has the error. So if yes, so here and session. So if yes, we will display message div with alert. So what is the, so let's use alert danger, and we can display the message inside. So here we can use session and error. Okay, so let's add another one for success. So if we have success, so we'll display the success message, and if we have info, so we'll display info message. Okay, so now we have the alerts. So all we need to do is to use them inside app.blade.php. So let's include here, include the alerts. So alert is inside layouts.alerts. So save. Let's refresh the page. So if we add another product to our cart, so products already added to your cart. Let's add another one. So products added to your cart. Let's add products or the same products again. So products already added to your cart. Let's add this one. So products added to your cart. Let's move to our cart. So let's change quantity. So products updated successfully. Okay, let's change it again. So updated successfully. Remove products removed successfully. Remove again. Same thing. Clear the cart. So your cart is empty and cart cleared here. Okay. So now we need to proceed to the payment and to add or to proceed to the payment. So you need to have Stripe account. So we'll use Stripe to pay our orders and to use Stripe. Or to use Stripe, you need an account, as I said. So if you don't have an account, try to create it. If you have it, so just grab your secret key because we will need it. Okay, so let's do that now.